How's it going, guys? Well, me and Andrew were walking by here just a few minutes ago, and we heard this kind of beating on the thing, and we thought it was the murderous killer from Disturbia. But it turned out to be this little guy. Hold on. You think if I can... Okay. Oh, God. It is smushed him. Okay, hold on. Andrew, bring your camera. Let me see it. Now you can tell it's inside. There he is. He's a little birdie. Oh, my God. That looks really small on you. Hello, it's okay, buddy. Andrew, don't lock me in here. What's it? Right. Here you go. Okay. On the count of 3. Okay. Andrew, get ready to run. Andrew. Run! Holy crap, it's here! Oh! There it is. It's landed. Oh, it goes. Yes! Come to me! Shh, look out. I'm gonna beat him out of there. Okay!
Bird, is it on the ground, Andrew?
I don't know! Look to the crack. Oh no, it's... There it is. Alright. He's back there. You see him? He's back there. That is a black dot. Yes, that is a bird. Looks really small. Here, get up close. Bring it in there. Okay. That didn't work. Now, we are using Hampton signs just to get sponsors and names. Holy cow. As you can see, it's carnivorous. Carnivorous, here. Check this out. I found my thumb on the ground. And he took it. Hold on. Okay.
Alright, Jordan, let me see it. I'll take it. You be a man and video.
I will.
Yeah, get a good shot.
Oh my God. It's alive! Andrew, stop. Get me in the corner. Andrew! He's running! There it is. He landed right next to me.
If you push sideways, it zooms in. Zoom. And you press sideways.
Folks, we're trying to zoom in for you. For our viewers at home.
There he is.
Come
on out there, you!
Alright, Andrew, you got him. It's all done.
Oh!
It's okay, buddy. We'll help you out here. We're good people.
Holy cow!
Maybe if we get away.
Boys,